Hello, third grade families. My name is Miss Ackerman. I am your student's third grade teacher this year. We have a new unit that I'm really excited to be discussing with you today and hopefully answering some questions, clearing some stuff up for you. We are talking about computational thinking and coding. So this is a page on our classroom website. It's all about computational thinking and coding. I'm not going to play all the videos for you today because they are long. So I have a couple embedded on here that you can go through, click at your own time and pace to look over. So our first video here is computer science is computer science is changing everything. It's basically coding mentality skills and why they're important for students. So that's a really cool video to check out. It's about 6 minutes. So computational thinking is the ability to use interrelated ideas to solve topics and complex problems. Whereas coding is providing a list for a computer to do in the exact order at any given moment. So it's kind of like an algorithm. So I have uploaded my slideshow here for you that you can go back and look on, but I will pull it up on Google Slides here and share it with you. So we have the top FAQs about computational thinking and coding. First one, I'll make my person smaller so you can see. Why are these skills important for my third grader? This is the biggest question, I think. Why would my student need to learn how to code? Why is it important for my student to be able to think in a computational manner? So coding is like learning a new language. In the coding alphabet, we use symbols 0 and 1. The symbols give us the technology to function and perform, and it's a great opportunity for your student to get to know the language of the technology that they use every single day. Coding is going to help foster creativity, and although creativity might not be our end goal, it is a great way to allow students to be creative in the classroom, and it'll spark other questions and ideas. It's going to help with various math skills. I am such a visual learner, and it will help them visualize different concepts and make the math skill more fun and entertaining for the students as well. Students need to be able to think in a computational manner. It is important for them to succeed in the digital world, use interrelated ideas to help solve problems. What's the difference between computational thinking and coding? Computational thinking is problem solving, and thinking that leads to coding process, whereas coding process is putting together different steps to program our technology. So how will these skills be used in our classroom? In our classroom, they'll be integrated in all different subject areas. It is my goal to push students to use various algorithms to solve problems. For one example here, one day in our ELA classroom, we might use puzzles for different writing concepts to help meet the goals of computational thinking. So again, interrelated concepts to focus on one goal. So why should my student learn more about coding? It's going to help boost problem solving skills at a young age. It encourages discipline and persistence in the student, teaching that digital literacy. This is really important because our world is so digital now. It is important for the student to understand the digital media that they are using day in and day out. It's going to help boost creativity, and could be a potential career skill for the student. Is coding beneficial for students that don't have an interest in STEM? That's another common question. There are many interests that are not STEM focused that coding has an impact on. A few career examples: agriculture, art, journalism, architecture, etc. Agriculture, we think of farming. There's a specific algorithm for how to grow crops. Art, definitely drawing and all that type of stuff. Journalism, architecture, and design. So that's the top FAQ questions. And I hope that answered a lot. There will be a lot more on my page. So thank you for listening, and I hope this was helpful.